Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to study English subject through English Balbharti textbook standard 6. 2.2 is our lesson number, the Vote of Fabric from Unit 2. Dear student, before I start this chapter, I would like to give you a short introduction. The story, The Vote of Fabric, is written by the great Tamil saint poet who lived around 2000 years ago. Dear student, this is the first part of the story. Second part I am going to continue in our second video. Dear student, you might be heard or read many books of Dhyaneshwar, Haridas, Mirabai and many other poet and sons. Today we are going to study about the real saint whose name is Tiruvalluvar, as you can see in the picture, dear student. Tiruvalluvar, commonly known as Valluvar, was a celebrated Tamil poet and philosopher. Now, what is meant by philosopher, dear student? A very good or religious person who is given special respect even after his death. He is the best known as author of Tirukular. Now, Tirukular is a book which was written by this great saint Tiruvalluvar. Here you can see the subparagraph of the chapter, dear student. Tiruvalluvar was a great Tamil saint poet who lived more than 2000 years ago. Now, dear student, what is meant by saint? Saint means a person or religious person who is given a special respect after death. So, the Tiruvalluvar is a saint who was respected even today because of his work, and this is the story about 2000 years ago. Tirukular is the book of his teaching. Now he has written the book which is named as Tirukular, and it is greatly loved and respect even today, and people love his book and give respect to his book even today. Tiruvarruvar was a textile weavers. Now, dear student, what is mean by textile weavers? Weavers means a person whose job is to weave the clothes. So, Tiruvar was doing the job of textile weaver. He wore beautiful fabric and saris and sold them in the market. Fabric means the one type of clothes in which the Tiruvar was doing design and selling in the market. So he wore the beautiful fabric saris and sold them in the market. People said that he never got angry, never used bad words, never shouted at anyone. So Tiruvar was innocent. So in his life he never became angry. As you can see on the screen, the good qualities of Tiruvarruvar. Never got angry means sometimes we get angry, so we get shout to anyone. So Tiruvar has not such kind of qualities. Use bad words means abuse to someone, or never shout at anyone by any reason. So this was the quality of Tiruvarruvar. Dear student, let's move to the second sub paragraph. In the same town there live a rich young man. He wastes most of his time roaming around his friends. So in the same village there was a young man who was roaming with his friend. Wastage of time, dear student, a person who is not having value of time, and we can say that using too much or something in careless manner, so no value of the time. So this man was having no value of time, and he was just wasted most of the time roaming around with his friend here and there. They often made fun of other people, and they made fun of other people, laugh on others, make fun of other people. So such kind of things they were doing by roaming here and there in the village. I don't believe what people says about this Valluvar. Now this man is talking about the Tiluvaruvar. He is saying that I never bother that what other people are saying about this Valluvar. Said the young man one day. One day he was talking with his friend that I don't know what other people say about this Valluvar. I'm sure I can make him angry. Come on, let's have some fun today. Now this man was talking with his friend that I don't know what other people say, that he never gets angry, but let's have some fun today. I can make this Valluvar angry. Come on, let's go and make fun of Valluvar. They were talking to make fun of this Valluvar. So what happens, student, in the story? Let's move to the third sub paragraph. So the arrogant young man approached Tiruvar. Now what is mean by arrogant, dear student? Means angry, having expressive pride in oneself. So he was very confident that I can make this Tiruvar angry. So they went to Tiruvar and let's see what happened. So Tilu were in the market and pick up a beautiful fabric. So he went to the Tiluvar shop and pick up the one beautiful fabric of cloth. Fabric means one type of clothes which is designed very nicely. So this man pick up one cloth of the fabric and what he do, let's see. How much does this whole fabric cost, he asked. So he asked what the price of this fabric. 8 coins, said the saint name of price. So the young man picked up the one beautiful fabric clothes and asked the price to Tiruvaruvar. What is the price of this fabric? Tiruvaruvar, who was innocent and kind saint, he has replied very politely that this the fabric cost 8 coin. The saint named the price. The what was the price of that fabric? The Tiruvaruvar has said. The young man unfolded the fabric and tore into two. Now, what this young man has done, he has taken the fabric and fold from between and tore into two pieces. Tore means divided into two pieces. What is the price of this pieces now? Now what he has tore into two pieces. Now he is asking to Tiruvaruvar. Now what is the price of this two pieces? Now you tell me what is the price. Now he is asking the half price of the clothes because it was costing first 8 coins. Now he has divided into two parts, so he is asking now what is the price of this two pieces. See, dear student, what the great saint Tiruvar has answered to this young man. Here you can see the subparagraph of the chapter. 4 coins. The sant answer politely. Now those Tiruvaruvar, who is a saint, he answer very politely, very nicely that now the cost of the fabric is 4 coins. The youth was taken aback. Now the youth was shocked. Now he was surprised how politely the Tiruvar is giving the answer. Now he has told now this fabric is cost of 4 coins. Why does the man get angry? Now this man is started thinking that why this Valluvar, why this Tiruvaruvar is not getting angry. I have destroyed this fabric, this beautiful fabric. Then also this Tiluvar, this saint is not getting angry. He thought. He then tore the half pieces into half again. Again what he have done, it has divided into two part. Again he has tore the pieces and asked the price to Tiruvar. Again the young man has tore the fabric into pieces and now he is again asking now what is the price of this two pieces. This pieces 2 coins was the answer. So the Tiruvaru answered that now it cost of the fabric is 2 coins. Now it was the young man who became impatient and agitated. Now dear student, impatience means not having patience because he is trying to make Tiruvar angry and Tiruvar was not getting angry. So he is losing his patience. He is getting agitated. Agitated means now he is himself only became angry and annoyed. He tore the pieces into half and half again and again, saying, and now what the price now? Now, what this young man started doing, he started tearing the fabric into pieces to make Tiruvar angry. He started making pieces of the fabric and asking the price, and Tiruvar also decreases the price and tell the price. So to make Tiruvar angry, what this young man has doing, started tearing the fabric into pieces and started Tiruvar also started decreasing the prize. So dear student, this is the first part of the story where this young man is making to make angry Tiruvar and not succeeded to make Tiruvar angry. So this is the first part of the story, dear student, which we are done today, and the second part we will do in our second video. Hope you all understood this first part, dear student. Thank you.